Have you ever wondered about the true scale of a company like Jobber? We see their ads, we hear about their software, but how many people are actually using it? How many businesses are relying on Jobber to power their daily operations, manage their clients, and grow their reach? It's a question that digs deeper than just a marketing claim. It gets to the heart of a company's impact and its real-world presence in the competitive landscape of field service management. In today's fast-paced digital economy, software solutions are the backbone of countless businesses. From scheduling appointments to invoicing clients, managing teams, and tracking financial performance, these tools are indispensable for small and medium-sized enterprises, especially those in the home services sector. Jobber has carved out a significant niche in this space, promising to simplify complex workflows and empower service professionals to deliver exceptional experiences. But the proof, as they say, is in the numbers. Understanding the user base of a company like Jobber isn't just about curiosity. It's about gaining perspective. For prospective users, it offers an insight into the platform's reliability and widespread adoption. A larger user base often suggests a robust, well-tested product with a strong community and continuous development. For competitors, it's a benchmark, a measure of market share and influence. For investors, it's a crucial indicator of growth potential and market penetration. And for anyone simply interested in the business world, it's a fascinating look at how companies build and maintain their customer relationships. So, let's cut to the chase and answer the burning question. How many users does Jobber have? As of recent data, Jobber proudly serves a substantial number of home service professionals. While exact real-time figures can fluctuate and companies often provide round numbers for public statements, the most up-to-date information indicates that Jobber is used by over 300,000 home service professionals. That's right, over 300,000. Let that number sink in for a moment. It's not just a statistic. It represents hundreds of thousands of individual entrepreneurs and small business owners, from plumbers and electricians to landscapers, cleaners, HVAC technicians, and so many more, who have chosen Jobber as their go-to solution for managing their operations. But the story doesn't end there. These 300,000+ professionals aren't just using Jobber in isolation. They are leveraging the platform to serve an even larger audience. The data also reveals that these Jobber-powered businesses have collectively served over 27 million properties across more than 60 countries. This demonstrates the incredible ripple effect of a single software solution, reaching millions of households and businesses globally. What does this massive user base tell us about Jobber? Several key takeaways emerge. Firstly, it speaks to Jobber's strong market presence and widespread adoption within the home service industry. Reaching over 300,000 professionals in such a diverse and competitive sector is no small feat. It suggests that Jobber has successfully identified and addressed critical pain points for these businesses, offering a solution that resonates with their needs. Secondly, the geographical reach over 60 countries highlights Jobber's global ambition and its ability to adapt to different market demands and regulatory environments. This isn't just a North American success story. It's a testament to the universal appeal of efficient business management tools. Thirdly, the sheer volume of properties served, over 27 million, underscores the impact Jobber has on the broader service economy. Every single one of those service calls, quotes, invoices, and completed jobs represents a small business delivering value, and Jobber is facilitating a significant portion of that activity. This kind of scale contributes to the overall health and efficiency of the home service sector. It's also important to consider what a user means in the context of Jobber. Their pricing plans indicate that a user is anyone who needs to log into Jobber. While individual plans might start with one user, larger teams can add multiple users, with options extending to 5, 10, or even 15 users included in higher tier plans, and the ability to add more beyond that for an additional fee. This multi-user functionality is crucial for businesses with growing teams, further emphasizing Jobber's scalability. So, the 300,000+ professionals could represent many more individual logins and team members utilizing the software on a daily basis. Beyond the raw numbers, Jobber's growth can be attributed to several factors that appeal to small and medium-sized home service businesses. They offer a comprehensive suite of features, including client management, CRM, scheduling and dispatching, quoting and invoicing, online payments, and even marketing tools. This all-in-one approach eliminates the need for multiple disparate systems, streamlining operations and reducing administrative overhead. The focus on automation, mobile accessibility, and user-friendly interfaces also plays a significant role in its appeal to busy professionals who are often on the go. Furthermore, Jobber's commitment to continuous improvement and customer support likely contributes to its strong retention and growth. In the software-as-a-service, SaaS world, user satisfaction and ongoing innovation are paramount to long-term success. The fact that so many businesses continue to rely on Jobber, and that the company continues to expand its reach, suggests a strong foundation built on solving real-world problems for its users. The competitive landscape for field service management software is vibrant, with many players vying for market share. However, Jobber's consistent growth and impressive user numbers solidify its position as a leading contender. Their success highlights the increasing demand for specialized software solutions that cater to the unique needs of specific industries, moving beyond generic business tools to provide tailored functionality. In conclusion, when we ask, how many users does Jobber have? The answer is a resounding testament to its impact. Over 300,000 home service professionals utilize Jobber to manage their businesses, serving over 27 million properties in more than 60 countries. This isn't just a number. It's a powerful indicator of Jobber's significant role in empowering small businesses and shaping the future of the home services industry on a global scale. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.